Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to use this tool in Adobe Illustrator to create an amazing 3D text effect. I will teach you to start to end complete process. So stay connected. First, I create a rectangle with the help of the rectangle tool to use as a background. Now select the gradient tool and hit Enter. Then select the freeform gradient. Here this creates several points. Simply click on this small circle and change color as per your requirement. I am using these two colors for this background. Now select the Type tool and type your text. Change its case to upper. And set this 2024 vertically. And change it with Modak regular. Link for this font mentioned in the description. You can click to download. Select Eyedropper tool and apply the first color to it. And go to the Effect menu, then 3D and Materials, and Inflate. Here we adjust and modify the parameters. First, we change some settings in the Object section. You can play with these settings. Then go to Materials. Set roughness to 0. And increase the metallic little bit. Then go to the lighting. Here we change some light settings. You can play with these settings. To add more dimension by adjusting the settings for shadows. Now, I am going to render this design to see how it looks. Throughout the design process, you can render to see how your project is going, but it is recommended to work with the design without rendering since that makes the system slow. Now I apply Inflate effect on this 2024. Use Eyedropper and apply second color to it. Follow me in that process. This way you can create a 3D text effect, icons, and designs quickly and easily, just using Adobe Illustrator. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.